Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vera King. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about entrepreneurship and how to make money on the internet. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to register on PoppoLive, do your face authentication, join agency, bind your phone number, and start performing tasks in order to earn money. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do where to subscribe, because on this channel I talk about how to make money on the internet. Turn on your notifications so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this is something you are interested in, watch this video from the beginning to the end. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the practical aspects of the video. First of all, I will drop the link in the description of this video. Click on it and it will take you to Play Store, where you can download the PoppoLive app if you have not done PoppoLive. Once you are done downloading it, click on Open. When you click on Open, it will open up this interface. You have various options of signing up. You have Facebook, Google, phone number, and the rest of it. But I always encourage people to use Google because it's easier to log in with your Google anytime, anywhere. But before that, you have to click on this agree to their terms and conditions. Then after that, click on your Google and it will open up this interface. Now you can go ahead and change your name if you want to. If you don't want to, just go ahead and change your date and put your date of birth. After inserting your date of birth, the next thing is to pick your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I am picking Nigeria as my country. So once you are done picking the country, you also have to upload a profile picture. After that, you then go ahead and click on your gender. Pick your gender. If you're a male, pick male. If you're a female, pick female. Then go ahead and click on submit and then submit it. And it will bring you to this interface. Now, on this interface, this last icon on your right hand side, go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, it will open up your dashboard. Now look at this is how my dashboard look like. So your dashboard will look like this. Then the next thing, click on your authentication, the auth there. When you click on it, it will open up like this. Here you now click on the auth. When you click on the auth, first thing, you have to upload a picture that will match your face, so that whenever you put your face and you're doing your authentication, it will not reject it. Then you go ahead and click on start authentication. The instruction here is that you must not cover your face, the room must be lighting, and then there must be no minor around you. Then after that, you just go ahead and click on the start authentication. When you click on start authentication, this circle will open up. When this circle open up, it will ask you to put your face in the middle of the circle. Now it will ask you to blink your eye, open your mouth, smile, turn your head left or right. Those are the gestures, those are the instructions it will give to you. Just go ahead and follow the instruction and do whatever it asks you to do. Once you are done with that, just go ahead and click on submit. Now, when you submit it, then you are done with your face authentication. The next thing for you to do is to bind your phone number. Go ahead and bind your phone number to the app. When you bind your phone number, you have this interface where it says certify and then your phone number modify. Then you are good to go. Now, the next thing for you to do is for you to go ahead and join agency, because if you don't join agency, you cannot do your tax on this app. So for you to join agency, you go back to your dashboard, then scroll down, you see where it says setting. Click on the setting. When you click on the setting, it will open up. When it open up, you will see where it say join agency. Click on join agency and then input this my agency number that you are seeing on the screen right here. Put the number. Once you're done putting the number, you submit, then it will say congratulations, you have joined my agency. That is all about joining agency. Then now you can go ahead and do your tax. For you to do your tax as a newbie, click on this reward and it will open up. Then you see the tax you are supposed to do as a newbie. Then go ahead and do all the tax. Now for you to go live, which is the first tax, you have to come back to the interface of the phone, and then you see this last icon, this first icon here on your left hand side. that says live, go ahead and click on the icon. When you click on the icon, you see where it says live on a pink, written in a pink this thing. Just go ahead and click on it, and it will open up your live room. When you open up your live room, you go ahead and pick what you want to do in your room, either singing, chatting, dancing. Just pick either one that you want to do in your room. Then you go ahead and click on live. When you click on live, it will open up like this. This is how it will open up. Now when it open up like this, you stay here for the next 2 hours. Depending on how many hours they give you from the reward section, you'd have seen it there. When you stay, after you must have finished the time, you go back to that same reward section and claim your reward. That is all that you have to do about going live on the app. Then the next task again is for you to party, sit on a crown seat. For you to do that, this middle icon, you click on it. When you click on it, then it will open up. You see a whole lot of people partying. Go ahead and pick any room that you open, you see that there is this crown seat. This seat 1, 2, 3, 4, they are the crown seats where you can do your tax. If you don't sit on any of those 4 seats, your tax will not count. So avoid sitting on this gray seat. Make sure it's on the golden seat. When you sit on that seat, then you can be there for the number of hours that you're supposed to do your tax. Then after that number of hours, you go back again to this your reward section. You will see where you are supposed to claim your reward. You see receive, just go ahead and receive it. That is practically all on how to do tax on this app. So there are other tasks that you can do on the app to earn money, but for the purpose of this video, I don't want it to be too long, so I'm just going to stop on these 2 for now. In my subsequent video, I will talk about other way of earning money on the app. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.